Good morning. Today is Tuesday, November 9th. I'm Marv Eisen, and in today's video, I want to address this mostly to new traders or people who are interested in trading and like to try their hand at it, but not sure whether it's for them. So just to give you a little introduction, again, my name is Marv Eisen, and I operate an Emini trading school called Trading for Financial Freedom. I think that today I want to give you just a basic rundown, all you newbies, on what I do to start my day. You see on my screen, the first thing I do is look at the morning news, the economic calendar. And the economic calendar today, we have nothing that I see that's going to be market moving, although at 11 a.m., the real household debt number is going to be coming out. You don't have any household debt, so we can just forget about that. But it's not going to be market moving. Moving on to the morning news, and of course you're always going to want to check the morning news to see the flavor of the market, where things stand, where futures are, and here are the futures on the upper end of the screen. Prices are basically mixed. Dow is down 34, S&P is flat, NASDAQ is up 30. These are basically flat numbers. Scrolling down the page, and I scroll down the page to see if there's any particularly bad news that is going to be affecting the market, and that's very similar to what I do in looking at the economic calendar. I want to see what news is going to be in the forefront that's going to affect prices. I don't really see anything. By the way, the headline story today: GE to break up into 3 companies. Now, if you're going to be trading, you're going to have some winners and some losers. And when you have losers, don't be discouraged. Here's a company, GE, run by some of the smartest people in the world, right? And these smart people, these geniuses, ran it into the ground. So don't be beating yourself up if you start trading, even paper trading, and you have a few losers. Let's move on to our chart. This is a chart of the S&P E-mini. Every day, and you'll see on this chart, you see a rectangle, and you see a red line, a red horizontal line at the bottom. This rectangle represents a trading zone, and each evening I send my students the support and resistance numbers for tomorrow's trading zone. So I sent, now this chart is for yesterday, November 8th, and I sent these numbers, this resistance and support number, to my students out on Friday evening prior to Monday's open. This is a Monday chart. November 8th was a Monday. And I told them to mark their trading zone with a resistance at 47.21 and support at 46.90. And I also told them to put a horizontal line right down here. And this line, I'm going to separate it from the bottom. This is a separate target price, 46.90. And I told them that these are the likely areas where the S&P E-mini is going to trade on Monday. Remember, I told them this Friday night. And I told them that this red horizontal line is a price that is highly likely that the market was going to trade at. So what happened on Monday? Well, the market opened up here at around 47.06, 47.07, and ultimately did trade down to the bottom of our trading zone and hit the target line at 46.90. Through the rest of the day, the price traded into our trading zone, bounced off our target support number, never got to the high of our trading zone, but nevertheless, every day my students have this information. Now, if you are a newbie trader, what you want to do is paper trade. And when you enroll in my free E-mini course, yes, I said free, as in F-R-E-E-E-E-E, free, I will send you these numbers each day. But the mini course, my free course, speaks about how to avoid the mistakes that mostly all new traders make, and that cost them money. And so you want to practice and wean yourself out of these mistakes, familiarize yourself with them through a paper trading scenario. And I give you a sheet to keep your trading records on, and I'm going to show it to you right over here. You keep your trading records, your paper trading records on that sheet, and you'll see how well you're doing in paper trading, and you keep a historical record. Now, when you sign up on my free Emini trading course, I will send you, for a limited time, I'll send you these support and resistance numbers so that you can box out your chart each day prior to the trading session opening, so you can box out your chart and gauge how these prices are filling this trading zone and if they're reaching their targets. It's a hell of a lot better than a chart that's basically a blank screen that looks like this, right? So you want to be able to trade with some with some knowledge beforehand of where the market is going to go. Again, this is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. Enroll in my free Emini trading course, and I'll send you this, and you'll receive this record keeping sheet that you can use to perfect your trading knowledge. Anyway, safe trading. If you are trading the real S&P with real money, trade safe, use mucho patience, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.